Welcome guys to another tutorial of TechWiki in HTML. And in this tutorial we're going to talk about image tag and how to use image tag and image in our HTML. So let's get started. First we need to create our HTML tag by exclamation mark tab, and you can see our HTML content here. And now we're going to start with img tag here. It's a self-closing tag. Okay, src calls equals double quote, and we can use our image here. I put image in our folder here before, and if you want to use image in a folder, you can create this you can create a folder here. Click on this new folder, or right click here, click on new folder and image, and just drag it to image. Okay, move, and now it's in our image folder. Here you can see now, if I start in type image folder, you can see the image and the picture I have. If I have more pictures here, you will see a list of picture here, image or picture. If I can't save it, you will see this here. If I open this live server, it's a picture, and you can see it's a big picture, and you need to drag here, scroll here to see this picture. And just you can alter this or change this dimension here just by typing width. This is a little CSS, like 500, and height 200. Just save, and you will see it's squished. And you can change its height like 300, and that's it. This is the size of the picture, and if you can change it just using one of these here, and it will change accordingly to its ratio. You can see this, and we have other elements here that you can use, like alt. This is a name for this picture, this alternative for this picture, good vibes only. And you can use a title. This title will show the web browser or internet what is this picture or image about. Good vibes. And Control S, and you can see no difference or no changes here. But if I just change something here like this, this image doesn't exist with this name. You can see good vibes only. It will use this alternative for the showing this picture if our pictures gone, or we accidentally deleted it, or it doesn't load in our web page. It will show alternatively this text, and that's picture. It's not clickable yet, but we can use it as a clickable image. It will open another page, another image, or another thing, just using the href here, a tag. Control S, and if I click here, you will see this is a new page. You can use that target element here, target blank, if you want to open a new page. Click back, and I need to save this. Yeah, that's it. Then the title document came from this title. We can change this for image. So Control S, and you will see this image. And if I click on this page.html, you will see document, because in the title for this is document. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Thank you for your watching, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next videos.